Alright, I'll be doing a little video with the multi-tool with the oscillating attachment. I have a cutting blade on, it's all messed up right now. What I'm going to be doing is I'm taking off these backsplashes around the sink here. And as you can see, the back one is peeling. I'm going to be replacing the backsplash with tile. So this is glued to the wall. I don't know if you can see that or not. But anyhow, I was trying to figure out a way to get these off without messing up the wall too bad. So that's one of the reasons actually I bought this oscillating tool. And I bought these scraper blades, a solid and a flexible, off of Amazon for like $10. It sounds like I'll need the solid, so I'm going to put that on and give it a try and see what happens. Actually, I might try the flexible first and see if that works. But I'll probably end up having to go to the solid, so I'll throw those on and then I'll get back to you. Okay, I took my cutting attachment off. This is a wood cutting attachment I found out later, and I used it on metal, that's why I kind of wrecked it. They do make metal attachments, they're quite expensive. Anyhow, I took that off, and as you can see, here's how that one attaches. You got that, and you have that. See? And the scraper attachment has holes. So you say, oh shit, I'm screwed, right? No. In the bottom of your tool, by where your battery goes, there is an adapter. It fits in that little slot. And I guess it's two-way. It says D and B. So, fit that adapter on. See if D is the right one. No. Try B. And B looks like it's the right one, but I need two hands for this, so I'm going to stop the video and put it on there. Okay, so I went to the store today and picked up some metal blades, and I looked in the manual, and the blades that'll fit this are Ryobi and Bosch blades. So I got these Performax blades, which fit a bunch of different things, but they'll fit Bosch and Ryobi and a bunch of different ones. So, or it says Bosch anyhow. Bosch and Dremel, I meant. The Ryobi will take Bosch and Dremel. So here's that metal blade. I thought about getting scraper blades, but I figured I could probably do just about everything I need to do just with these. I got a 3-pack or a 4-pack. It was like $20. So I put that on, and I'm going to cut off these little metal brackets they have here. We're holding on that backsplash. Okay, I got that metal blade on. As you can see, it fits good. Didn't have to use an adapter even. So now let's try to cut off some of these little things. That works. Cut some right off there. Get this next one here. Let's see if I could show you that a little bit better. You see it cut it off, and it did no damage to the countertop, really. Maybe made a few marks. That might have been from before. That worked really slick. trying to do all this glue around here. There, that worked a lot better. As you can see, did, you know, a little bit of damage, but not bad. There's a lot of glue, like under here. It must have all been glued, but then it was mainly these little brackets that, but I was able to cut out some of the underneath, and then I was able to pry it out. So that thing really works. I mean, there's no other way I could have done this without like totally wrecking the walls or taking tons of time. I mean, this is what I did with that scraper. It kind of messed it up, but that ain't bad. I put my thin set down, it's going to cover all that up. It's not going to be a big problem. So yeah, this thing works nice. Especially now that I got some decent blades, as you can see. Well, if you can see it. There's still a good amount of teeth on there. Didn't really... Still got to cut off these little clips, but I'm sure I'll do that no problem. I'd already cut off those two that you saw, so... Yeah, that's what's holding this stuff on there. Weird little clips, so... Alright, well, I thought you might like to see that. I'll probably do some video of the tile work and the finished product. You've seen kind of the before, now you see the in between, and hopefully you'll see the after, and a nice little project.